getting an inside look at the Creighton Court walk-up testing event aiming to test 100 Creighton area residents on Tuesday.
This is an intentional attempt to ensure that every individual possible, particularly those who are under-resourced, particularly those who are uninsured, have access to the same testing as anyone else.
Governor Northam, Mayor Stoney, and Council President Cynthia Newbill were joined by Dr. Danny Avula to tour the grounds. It's one of 3 locations where public housing residents will be tested in Richmond this week. Officials say 13 out of the 14 deaths from COVID-19 in the city of Richmond are African Americans.
It has disproportionately impacted African Americans and other people of color.
Newbill says testing sites like these are a step in addressing that.
Bring into community, not dependent upon whether or not you have a car, not dependent upon whether or not you have insurance, not dependent upon whether you can pay, but just getting here to get tested. That is our greatest weapon.
Governor Northam says the fight against the virus is far from over.
Just the numbers today, I'm sure you all have seen them. Over 800 new cases in Virginia, 34 additional deaths. It's not going away.
He says the state has been able to ramp up testing to more than 4,000 a day, but more tests still need to be done in order to ease any restrictions.
In order to know where this virus is, where the hot spots are, we've got to continue to expand that, and our goal in the next couple of weeks is to get up to be able to test over 10,000 a day.
It is like shadow boxing. We know that the enemy is in the room, we just don't know where the enemy is. Testing allows us to unshield and unmask the enemy, that being the novel coronavirus.
And there will be an additional site open on Thursday in Gilpin Court on Calhoun Street. That is weather permitting. Health Director Dr. Danny Avula says they also hope to have additional sites available next week as well. Working for you in Richmond, I'm Shannon Lilly, CBS 6 News.